In this week's updates to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, we have another surprise, a new addition to one of the 6 crypto ecosystems with $2,500 worth of investment into each of those 6, with individual positions set at a minimum of $250 to be invested across a selection of projects. Which project is that? I don't know if you guys have guessed it, but if you want to know more about that project, keep watching this video until the end. Hi guys, this is FD for Search5.tv once more, back with another video, and it's that time again when we bring you an update on our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, one of our public portfolios that we share with our community publicly. This is our public portfolio. I do hold a separate portfolio that I hold privately, where I hold some of the positions that we share with you here and some of the positions that I might not share with you publicly. And all the projects we share within our public portfolio, it does not necessarily mean that I also hold those privately. Some I do, others I don't. But there you go. So you know, for transparency. Since the last update to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, we have added a new position which reinforces our belief that this specific category that we just added to will most likely be the next big thing come the next bull run. Again guys, this is not financial advice, and if you are new, thank you very much for dropping by. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can spread the word to more people. If you are a returning viewer guys, thank you very much for supporting the channel. You are the DJs. Anyway, there is also an equally good chance that a totally different category will come up on top, so please do your own research and seek financial advice from someone who is actually accredited to do so. For us to say a certain category will do well, that is just our own opinion. Please do your own research so you can make a balanced decision. If you have been following us on Twitter, you probably have a clue as to what the project that we've added is. We posted a DYOR risk evaluation video on this specific project about 3 weeks ago. There you have it, another big clue. If you want to know what that project is, please keep watching the video all the way to the end. Without further ado, let's dish out some alpha along with your latest update to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Starting with the Dotsama ecosystem as usual, where we hold 2 positions in RMRK and Bit.country, both Kusama network parachains. So far we have invested into these 2 projects to the tune of $721.33. Opening this week's weekly updates is of course Bit.country Pioneer and its NEAR token. Price wise, last week's price was 27.42 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $220.45. This week's price is sitting at 25.77 cents. Week on week percentage change, we are down 6%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $207.13. Overall, the NEAR position performance, we are down 14.48% or $35.07 in the red. Also guys, don't forget to stake your NEAR tokens to earn more rewards in the form of the Bit token, which is a utility token for the Bit.country ecosystem. You never know, maybe one day when it becomes tradable on an exchange or DEX, there could be money to be made here. So what are the future prospects for Bit.country and the NEAR token? Well, the metaverse and NFT category is such a cutthroat part of the crypto industry, and it requires renewal and transparency. Whether Bit.country can sustain these 2 crucial parameters is yet to be seen. We do hope for the best, and so far everything seems to be going okay for this project. Next up is another Dotsama ecosystem project, RMRK, where we hold 206.77 RMRK tokens at an average price of $2.32 with an overall cost of $478.88. Price-wise, last week the price was $2.13 for each RMRK token. Portfolio value last week was $440.66. This week's price is sitting at $1.91 at the point at which we are doing this video. So again, when you watch this video, whenever it's posted or whenever you watch it, things might have changed. So take these figures with a pinch of salt. Week on week price changes, we are down 10.3%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $395.59. Overall RMRK position performance, we are down by $82.32 or 17.19% in the red. RMRK is a token I also hold in my private portfolio for transparency, and have continued to add to my bag at these prices. Funny enough though, there isn't much selling of this token on KuCoin exchange where it is available, and that a sizable buy order does move the price quite a lot. That is a sign that those who are buying now aren't that keen to sell just yet. However, do bear in mind that the RMRK team is sitting on over 1 million RMRK tokens from the land sales currently going on over at Skybridge. If you want to know more about Skybridge, please follow the links in the description. I'll leave a link in there. If and when they decide to sell, the team that is, for whatever reason, we could see some crazy prices at some point. If that happens, I'll continue to add to my bags. This is not financial advice, of course. Anyway, next up is a lending and borrowing protocol on the Cardano blockchain, and here I'm talking of AADAFinance. We have invested a total of $173.69 into AADAFinance, and as this project's token, the AADA token, is continued to dump, it is one of the worst performing projects within our portfolio challenge to date. Last week's price was sitting at $21 41.68 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $35.09. This week's price is sitting at 22.07 cents. Week on week price change, percentage wise, we are up 2%, but there's going to be a much steeper way back up to the top to where we initially entered our position if we ever get back there. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $35.73. Overall portfolio performance, we are down $137.96 or 79.43% down. Once again, as you can see, AADAFinance continues to be the worst of the lot within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. Up next is Akash Network, a crypto project from the Cosmos ecosystem within our 15k to 600k portfolio. We hold 1083 AKT tokens with an average cost price of 23.19 cents, and all that cost a total of $251.11. Akash Network's AKT token weekly price movements are as follows. Last week's price was sitting at 25.32 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $274.18. This week's price is sitting at 22.79 cents. Week on week price change, we are down 11%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $246.85, down from $274.18 last week. Overall portfolio performance, we're in the red by $4.19 or 1.67% down. So again, it's a combination of a good entry price and probably a strong project as well. Again, not financial advice. We'll be shooting a separate video on Akash to bring you some updates on this Cosmos cloud computing project. Next up is NEARProtocol, one of our positions within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. Long term, we expect NEARProtocol to perform quite well during the next bull run, but current signs remain grim, especially with the ongoing FTX saga. As far as our position is concerned, we still believe in NEARProtocol's prospects. That's why we remain bullish on this project. With no addition to our NEAR position for this week, our average buying price of the NEAR token remains the same at $3.32, and we hold 56.43 NEAR tokens at a total cost of $189.99. Last week's price was sitting at $1.74. Portfolio value last week was $98.46. This week's price is sitting at $1.72. Week on week percentage change, we are down 1.1%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $96.89. Overall portfolio performance for our NEAR position, we are down $90.66 or 48.34% in the red. As we always contend in most of our videos on NEARProtocol, this is still a solid layer 1 project with a growing ecosystem. Early days yet on NEAR, and this one is a promising future in my view. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section. On to the next one, and we have the Ethereum blockchain. Our two positions from last week are VulcanForged and its PYR token, as well as PerpetualProtocol, a new addition from last week that is. Starting with VulcanForged, which is a metaverse project on the Ethereum blockchain, we own 102.81 units of the PYR token with an average unit cost price of $3.50 each at an overall cost of $359.96 invested to date on VulcanForged, and no new addition to our PYR position for this week, as you can tell. If you want to know more about VulcanForged, please follow the links in the description to additional resources on VulcanForged, and whilst you're down there guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. On to some price changes week on week. Last week's price was sitting at $3.19. Portfolio value last week was $327.53. Week on week price change, this week's price is sitting at $3.20. Week on week percentage change, we are up 0.3%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $328.89. Overall PYR position performance, we are down $31.27 or 8.69%. A slight improvement from last week, of course. Having dropped below $3 last week, VulcanForged has bounced back quite quickly and remains one of the strongest within the Ethereum portion of our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. It is also one project I believe will do very well come the next bull run, but that is just my own opinion. Please do your own research. Next up is the project we added in last week's updates video, that is PerpetualProtocol and its PERP token. Our initial position is for 1000 units of the PERP token at an average price of 42.5 cents with an overall cost of $425. Price wise, last week's price was 48.67 cents. Portfolio value last week was $486.66. This week's price is sitting at 47.27 cents. Week on week percentage change, we are down 3% on last week. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $472.68 and is down about $13.98 on last week. Overall per position performance, we are up by $47.01 or 11.06%. So again, maybe good entry position or solid project, we don't know yet. Early days on PerpetualProtocol. Now the PERP position is one position that supports our belief that derivatives will have their time during the next bull run. So any decent project available at current prices is a steal in my opinion. Granted, prices may still go lower from where we are, but we are happy with our opening position on PerpetualProtocol. What do you guys think? Do you think derivatives will perform better come the next bull run? The derivatives category. Let us know in the comment section. It might be the whole DeFi ecosystem, you never know. Let us know in the comment section. And now, time to unveil our latest entry. And it is an Ethereum blockchain project. Have you guessed it yet? Okay, I'll help you out. Meet RibbonFinance, a project we performed a DYOR risk evaluation about 3 weeks ago. Did you have that in mind? I don't know. I don't think so. So what is RibbonFinance? Well, RibbonFinance is a blockchain protocol that provides users with sophisticated, decentralized financial DeFi products. According to its white paper, RibbonFinance combines financial instruments like options, contracts, futures, fixed income to boost returns for its users. Users simply deposit their assets and let the smart contracts do the rest. RibbonFinance offers a suite of DeFi protocols that help users access crypto structured products, as well as offering a one-stop solution for users who want to improve a portfolio's risk-return profile. In terms of TVL, RibbonFinance is about $70.3 million locked up, according to DeFi Llama, and at its peak, it had about $310 million locked up earlier in the year, around April time, April 2022, that is. Its products are also live, so we are not just talking about a project that is simply promising to deliver, but this one is actually delivering. However, with everything in crypto, always do your own research and be prepared that any of these projects could go to zero. So, our opening position was 1,111 units, so double one. What a combination. At a price of 22.84 cents per each RBN token. And all that cost a total of $253.80. I used Coinbase for this purchase, and I can confidently say that there are cheaper options to purchase crypto from centralized exchanges. I'm just saying, because those fees, wow. Now for some price movement. As we have just made this purchase about a day or two ago from this video, the price movements will be negligible, but here we go. Opening price was 22.84 cents. Portfolio value from purchase was $253.80. Current price is sitting at 23.13 cents. Week on week percentage change, we are up 1.26% from our opening position. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $256.98 and is up by about $3.20 from our opening position a couple of days ago. Again, you may watch this video later on, things may have changed by then. Our overall RBN position performance, we are up by $3.20 or 1.26%. So, 3 projects into our Ethereum basket, having invested $1,038.75 or 42% of our $2,500 limit. At this rate, 3 to 4 more projects, do you think? And that could be it as far as our Ethereum position is concerned. I don't think it will be a bad development at all, as it will mean less projects to manage. Do you guys agree with that assessment? Let us know in the comment section. How many projects do you think make up a decent portfolio from your own experience? I know people come up with all sorts of things. Oh, it's 3, it's 5, it's 10. Some say 20, others 50. It doesn't matter. It depends what you can hold and what you can manage and whether they are going to get any returns from that. Anyway, any thoughts to what we currently have in our Ethereum basket? Please comment in the comment section. And whilst you're down there, guys, you know the drill. Don't forget to click subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. Other projects that we are looking at closely include Kujira, another Cosmos ecosystem project, and we are yet to establish an opening position. For our take on Kujira, please see our latest video. Link is in the description. Another one is Octopus Network, a NEARProtocol project, and Secret Network, a Cosmos blockchain project that we just posted a DYOR risk evaluation video quite recently. For more on these, please visit our YouTube channel for some of the DYOR videos. We are yet to open positions in Ergo ecosystem, but that will be coming soon. Just keep watching the space. So overall, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge has seen $2,378.88 invested, and current overall portfolio value is sitting at $2,040.74. So as of today, as of this week, we are down $338.14 or 14.2% down in the red. So our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, yep, slightly down, that 14.2%. But in my view, that's still respectable considering what's currently happening within the crypto space. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section. We will continue to hold and add more crypto projects to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, which is our public portfolio, and we are prepared to hold our positions well into the next bull run. Question for you guys. What are your thoughts on our latest additions in RibbonFinance and PerpetualProtocol? What other projects do you think merit being part of our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge? Comments down below, guys, and let us know your opinions. Until next time, this is FD, your host, with the latest update on our public portfolio, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Until next time, bye for now.